So today is 9th of November 2025, which is Sunday. So this is the V6505 5-speed manual. So today the car is going for a major repair inside the engine. It's a long story, but there is an indication that the conrod bearing has worn. I could hear the noise. The backstory, I will share that later, but just wanted to, you know, share the news with you guys. It's been a long time, but it's high time I decided to fix it. So, of course, you won't really know the extent of damage or what exactly the problem is until you open up the engine. But from experience, I believe is the conrod bearing. For those who are aware or follow my video, you could tell that I did a video on the conrod bearings of this engine, which I ordered recently. So I decided to use, because I won't have time during the weekdays, so I decided to use today to take it where the work will be done. Alright, so let's see. So yeah, I'm in the car now, about to take off, and I haven't started this car, I don't know how long now. Could be months, or maybe less. So let's see. Man, so you know what, I usually get excited whenever I crank this engine and the way it starts, as in, even if you leave the car for like 1 year, as I'm cranking it, boom. The reason why I get this excited is because of the way I fix the electricals of this engine. You know, this wasn't like this when the car came, since 2010 actually, and I've been able to change the harness. I changed the harness completely, did almost like a fresh harness, changed so many things, and it still works. In fact, it even works better than when it was factory. Of course, you guys know, you have not seen me driving this car for a long time, so at least now you have an idea. So let me be on my way. So over time, I'll be updating you guys as progresses. Alright.